Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and from the camera angle you can probably already guessed it, it's time for a tool review this time. And in my city there's a new hardware store open, which is a big R. I don't know if any of you have it in your cities, but this is like I said, hardware store, and I went over there, checked it out. They have a lot of DeWalt stuff, and one of the interesting things that I saw there was this a TEKTON torque wrench. It actually had 1/4 inch, 3/8, and this half inch as well. So I decided, since, let me show you what I was using before. I was using this bad boy, Pittsburgh, right? No complaints, right? It just, this one kind of looked really nice, a little like attractive. I do have TEKTON couple of sockets that I use on airplanes, and I'm really happy with that, so I decided to try it out. Haven't seen that many reviews on the internet, but yeah, so I decided to buy it. It was total of $34, I think. And yeah, as you can see on the box, TEKTON torque wrench, 1/2 inch, dual range, 10 to 150 foot-pounds, which is perfect for my car and my Eclipse. Let's check it out. Of course, it has one of those red cover boxes, almost same as plastic red, almost like a red. It's red, but Pittsburgh one, it's pretty much same. Anyway, this is what you get. Some, of course, instructions. It's, like I said, it's from 10 to 150, right? Let's set that aside. Heavy. These are your instructions, right? Oh, it actually shows how it's built. Wow, that's pretty cool. And it just has 2 pages. I guess this is your conversion. Yep, conversion. Conversion tables right here also. Let's see if we can zoom. Right there. This is etched, laser etched. This one right here is actually just a sticker. I believe this is made out of aluminum. This is steel. It's in the center. And then it's on 10. Disassembling wrench. And this is for calibration. 150. On the other side is 203 Newton meters. Same thing, also etched on there or engraved, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Let's really quick compare it to Pittsburgh Pro, is the one that I've been using. It is a little bit longer. Let's see. It's a little bit heavier. Let's actually make sure it is. So we got 0 pounds. Let's put it like that. 2.14 ounces, right? 0.8. Let's put this one. 2.8 ounces. So yeah, a little bit heavier. How precise is it? Well, it says on the box, if I don't make a mistake, that is I think 4% or something like that. Yeah, way smoother. So yeah. Always, when you're done working with the torque wrench, set it up to lowest foot pounds or inch pounds, all that. Set it to that specification. That's what it says in the manual on any torque wrench. Also, you saw me drop it. If you drop this, there's a bigger chance you're gonna damage or mess with calibration, then you have to recalibrate. But since this is a $30 item, this is good only for my cars, and I'm really happy with purchase. I like it, name brand, and yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe if you're new. And yeah, check me out on Instagram as well. That would be pretty much it, guys. Thanks again. Ladies.